The APC-1, the smallest air quality combo sensor for air purification, ventilation, and home and building automation. With its fully orchestrated design, its easy integration into the UART and I2C interface, the APC-1 is a compact, matchbox-size, all-in-one environmental sensor solution to precisely measure particulate matter and aerosols, volatile organic compounds, temperature, and humidity. It's a proven, maintenance-free technology designed for high volume and reliability. For maximum flexibility, the APC-1 provides up to 20 environmental signal parameters through UART and I2C interfaces, which you can unleash by its dedicated evaluation dashboard. Moreover, it features temperature compensation algorithms to simplify integration on system level, thereby accelerating time to market at minimal overall BOM costs. APC-1, the game changer in environmental sensing. Want to know more? Sciosense, sensing tomorrow's world.